What's up, my pungos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over with this really sleek, anti-reflective tempered glass screen protector from the folks at SmartDevil. This is an awesome technology to be able to reduce the amount of glare or reflection from lights and sunlight, to be able to give you that crystal clear 9H hardness, scratch protective, and even water resistant coating. It comes with 2 extra sheets for future proofing, and it's just an awesome option here to be able to use for your daily carry for the Samsung S26 Ultra. With that said, the folks at SmartDevil did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you get yourself into. Unboxing is super straightforward. They've got the simple smart pull box application process, proprietary here, that makes it easy to be able to attach and place on there. You also have here an applicator that makes it also simple to do so as well. It comes with 2 extra sheets and also the prepping material here to be able to get you started. You have a 3-step prep process here with an antimicrobial wipe. You've got your microfiber as well as dust collector if you want. Hit it with the antimicrobial. This is gonna get off any of the oils or dust. Then we hit it with the microfiber cloth. I like how it's the length of the screen. You can go ahead here and rest it there while we prep the rest. You're gonna wanna place the phone screen down and then go ahead and close it. It will kind of snap into place here, but as you can see there, it is going to have the camera facing out. And then with even pressure and holding it down with your hand, you're gonna go ahead and pull and slide it with even pressure across. Keep going as it places onto the phone. Once you're done there, you can go ahead and take it out. And with that, you have a very repeatable and very precise application of your S26 Ultra. And you'll be able to see here, it's got this really unique anti-reflective coating there as I reflect it across the camera. I have a bunch of studio lights. You can see here how dull the reflection is, and when I turn my screen on, it looks really sleek there in your hand. You don't have necessarily a cutout for your camera bump, which is nice. And the best part about it is friendly to phone cases. So when you place it in the phone case, you're not gonna have any problem with bubbling up or it pulling off. With that said, SmartDevil does a great job here making an anti-reflective screen protector. As you can see, with the screen on, it reduces the amount of glare, including these very bright light sources from my studio. You can see those studio lights aren't as reflective. I'm pleased that you can place a case on here and that the application process was so simple. With that said, the folks at SmartDevil provided this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.